Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Open Google Photos on your phone or web browser and sign in. Tap a photo to view it full screen and prepare to edit. Tap the edit icon at the bottom center to open adjustments and filters. The editor shows suggested fixes, tools, and filters in a single row for quick access. Any change you make is non-destructive, and Google Photos keeps the original intact. Tap Done to save a copy or cancel to discard changes and return to the library. Tap Crop to pinch or drag corners and trim unwanted edges for composition. Choose preset ratios such as 3, 2, or 16:9 for standardized framing. Use Rotate to turn the image 90 degrees or flip to mirror horizontally. Use Straighten and the on-screen grid to correct horizons and align verticals precisely. The app shows degree markers so you can adjust tilt by small increments. When satisfied, tap Done to apply the crop and return to other adjustment tools. Select Adjust to access exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and white sliders. Slide each control slowly to watch real-time changes and restore balance to the image. Tap Color or Saturation to increase or reduce vibrance and adjust warmth for cooler or warmer tones. Apply a filter for stylistic effect, and then tap Edit to further refine intensity or add vignette. When edits are finished, choose Save Copy, Download, or Share to export at original resolution or a compressed size for messaging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.